Welcome to Principles of Dashboard Design in Tableau. After watching this video, you will be able to describe what a dashboard is in Tableau, explain the importance of dashboards in Tableau, describe the principles of designing Tableau dashboards, and explain the steps to build dashboards in Tableau. In Tableau, a dashboard is essentially a central location to combine different data visualizations from several of your worksheets, and of course, other related data, which provides you with a centralized visual data analysis hub that you can present to colleagues and stakeholders. You can use dashboards to analyze and contrast a collection of different types of data all together. Just like your worksheets in Tableau, dashboards are displayed as separate tabs along the bottom of your workbooks. When you create a dashboard in Tableau, you will typically add various visualizations from several worksheets in your workbook, as well as other supplementary presentation elements such as text boxes, tooltips, annotations and notes, graphics and links to related web pages. The visualizations that you add to your dashboards are linked to their respective source worksheets. Therefore, if you update the data in a worksheet, any dashboard linked to that source data will also get updated. Similarly, if you change the data in a dashboard, the data in that linked worksheet will also be updated. Dashboards are important because they provide a platform for people to make better, more informed, data-driven decisions. Since they are dynamic, interactive, and show near real-time data, dashboards help you get a more precise, in-the-moment understanding of what's happening in the world around you. They help you navigate rapid and sometimes difficult changes. Within Tableau, there are many features available that can be used to make dashboards more engaging and visually pleasing, as well as deliver all the information you need. Within this course, we discuss our top tips for designing sleek and eye-catching Tableau dashboards. First, consider your audience. What information will help them to make successful decisions? How will the dashboard be used and by whom? Remember, your dashboard is an overview of your reports and datasets. Your audience can drill down into the reports from your dashboard. Therefore, you don't need to put all of the details into your dashboard. You should also consider the device your readers will review the dashboard from. If it will be a part of a large presentation on a big screen, you can include more content. But if it will be viewed on tablets or desktops, a dashboard with fewer tiles can possibly be easier to read. Secondly, avoid overcomplicating the dashboard. Dashboards provide a single place to view your key data at a glance. Therefore, having all the tiles on one screen is considered best practice, as well as avoiding scroll bars. When editing your dashboard, consider what data is essential to be screened and remove, or to be seen and remove data that is not non-essential. This way, users can easily consume and act on the information displayed. Next, utilize full screen mode. When presenting your dashboard, ensure your dashboard is displayed in full screen mode to avoid distractions. Next, think about page layout. Most people read from left to right, so consider this when placing your data. Keep your most important information in the top left corner and display more details as you move across and down the page. Next, use the right visualization for the data. The visualizations you use should be easy to read and interpret. Charts are good for numbers, whereas cards make your key data stand out. Next, use filters. Though you can achieve the same functionality via the filter pane, adding filters to the dashboard can improve the report's look and ease of use. Try to use different types of filters. Next, use tooltips. No matter how good your dashboards look, some of the data can be meaningless without context. You can use tooltips to quickly provide the necessary context and allow users to drill down further into the information with just one click. We recommend keeping the dashboards more high level and adding tooltips to provide additional detail without taking up space. And lastly, experiment with different things. Despite the tips we have suggested, don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. Try moving where the header is displayed and testing where you put filters by implementing them on a small area first, then playing around with the page orientation. This section shows you a high-level steps to create dashboards in Tableau. Step 1, connect to source data. Before you begin to create your dashboard, you need to connect your workbook to some source data. In Tableau, you can connect to data sources that have been published to the internet through Tableau Desktop, or you can connect directly to data through Tableau Server, Tableau Cloud, and Tableau Public. Step 2, create worksheets and add visualizations. On a new worksheet, drag the required dimensions and measures from the data pane onto the main canvas area to build your visualizations. Repeat this process across several worksheets to create all the visualizations you need. Step 3, create and configure a new dashboard. On a new dashboard tab, you can configure the size and layout of your dashboard and give it a relevant name. Step 4, add several worksheets. The last step is to add the relevant worksheets to the dashboard. You can either drag the worksheets from the Sheets menu in the left pane or double-click them. Dragging and dropping, however, gives you more control of where they are placed on the dashboard. Step 5, add data filters. To make your dashboards more interesting and interactive for users, there are several types of data filter you can add. This gives users more control over the data they view in your dashboard. They can drill down more into the story the data is telling. For example, they could filter by time and by date range or even by geographic location. Step 6, switch to presentation mode. When you switch to presentation mode in Tableau Public Desktop, all menus and toolbars are hidden to simplify the view and let you see what the dashboard will look like to your audience. Step 7, share your workbook. The way you share your Tableau dashboard depends on where your workbook is published. In Tableau Public, sharing is automatic because when you publish your workbook, it is publicly available online unless you decide to hide it. In Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud, you share your workbook with colleagues by publishing it, allowing them to view and collaborate on your dashboards in real time. When you share the workbook, you can specify search tags and permissions. Thank you.